What is the weather like today? Is the sun shining? Is it raining? Our weather changes every day. What is the climate like where you live? Climate means the type of weather in a place over years and years. Different places around the world have different climates. Our world's climate is changing. Do you know why this is happening? Carbon dioxide, or CO2, is a gas that comes from the sea, volcanoes, dead plants and animals, even people. It rises up into the sky, into a layer around our planet Earth called the atmosphere. Flowers, plants and trees need CO2 to stay alive. They take it out of the atmosphere when they breathe in. This is called the carbon cycle. The CO2 in our atmosphere creates a big blanket around our planet Earth. The heat that comes from the sun is trapped in this big blanket so that it doesn't escape into space. This is called the greenhouse effect. CO2 is also called a greenhouse gas. The amount of CO2 in our atmosphere has always been changing, but these changes happened very slowly, so our Earth was able to cope. But in the last 200 years, our world has changed very quickly. The population has grown, cars and aeroplanes were invented, we started to use electricity to power our lights, televisions, computers, mobile phones. Lots of factories were built to make these things that we use every day. All of these need energy to work. We get most of that energy from fossil fuels: coal, oil and natural gas. Fossil fuels come from dead plants and animals that have been underground for thousands of years. When we burn these fossil fuels, lots of CO2 is sent into the atmosphere, and this is causing the Earth's blanket to get thicker. The greenhouse effect is trapping more heat, making our Earth warmer. This is not a good thing. Our polar ice caps are melting. This is causing our sea levels to rise, which is bad news for people living near the coast. When the ice melts, it also no longer reflects the sun. This is causing the sea to get much warmer. This change in temperature also means more extreme weather. We have seen more storms, floods and droughts than ever before, all due to our excessive use of fossil fuels. We all live on our planet Earth together and depend on it to survive. We need to look after it. Do you think that we are doing a good job?